Okay, and this you can see more clearly where the potential, double is. Undercut low here, important. Down here, we've still got a gap back here. In a day like today, we said this was going to be a key idea. What happens there? Because at the time, the 60 had been holding. So if we break that, then that triggers anything down here to this next line. And that's something that most traders don't understand and don't know how to understand that concept. But from here to here, as part of the text that we have on the website, we talk about this notion right here. So this is designed to shake out these traders, because the closer you come to it, the more it will become like a double. But it's also, at some point, those traders need to admit they were wrong. And say, okay, I was holding, but today I'm clearly wrong. And the goal of this trade is to shake them out. And then be careful of an undercut low that bounces and get a strong bounce. Could be overnight, could be 2 days from now, whatever. And you can see on the weekly how this was meaningful. And you can see the green line we talked about on the daily. That was meaningful. All right, 34, we say possibility. And a 34 to 33.75 is 3 standard deviations, but it's also a 50-point trade from the overnight high. And these don't come along every day. So don't get used to this, and don't get thinking that, anytime you want, you can just close your eyes and these type of trades work. They don't. This is an outlier day. This is not normal. And that 82 resistance has been terrific today. And step by step, this gets taken out, and then obviously next you got to take out this low over here. That gets taken out, and then this becomes available right here. Great trade. So if you are lucky enough to get into the 35, 36 zone, my suggestion, make sure you get paid. Keep an eye on time. It's after 3 o'clock. And we can go to any low on a day like today, but we're using up some of tomorrow's rings already. That's the way I'm looking at this. And this is why we keep track of gaps. Look at these 4 traders up here who were cackling and saying, hey, what, are you kidding me? Shorts think you're going to win after what we've been able to do. That's how quickly you look at what happened to Denver. Come on. Good football team, but totally destroyed. Got one of the best quarterbacks out there. Couldn't do anything. That happens. Measured move, we said, first things first, try to get to that 39.5 zone. After that, then we have to start working on other relationships. So in my opinion, anybody that is still holding short as a day trader, think of time, think of price, take your profits home. Don't worry about missing 2 or 3 points. And if you've got a trailer in a day like today, you always try to keep a trailer, but make sure the lion's share is in your pocket, because it's after 3 o'clock and we still have not had a contra. And in my opinion, you can't short here. So again, and you're good at that, and I am not. I wish I was, but I am not. But I don't mind taking profits and hitting it again, and let each trade, as we talked about earlier, stand on its own. So anybody that's buying, we said try using 32 to 34 for support, and that's just a guess, because that's where I think you should be taking your profits. And I'm not encouraging you to buy. I'm just simply encouraging you to take profits. And if you do buy, fine. But just make sure no averaging in. We said that earlier today, no averaging in. because this is clear. And now we need time to settle. And this high right back here, we said is resistance. That still is. So step by step, we keep identifying new ranges that we need to fight.